Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a Word document using your smartphone. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store, and when you're on your Play Store, on the search bar you search for Microsoft 365. This is the app. So this is the app that you want to download or you want to install for those who don't have this app installed on their phone. I already have this app on my phone, so I won't have to install it or download it again. We'll just be opening this app so I could show you how to use it. So you click on open or install. So this is how the app looks like. And when you're on this app, you click on create. This is the create button here. You click on this create. And when you click on create, you go to Word. We have 4 ways you can use this app. You can scan this text. If you have a Word document that you've printed and you want to just scan it, you can quickly scan this Word document using this app. You can also use the dictation method. You can say what you want to say and the app will start typing it for you. Or you can use the blank document, or you can also create from templates. These are the 4 methods in which you can use this app. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be clicking on blank document. And when you click on blank document, this is how it looks like. Let's say I want to type a document on social media management. So this is it. You can highlight it. And when you highlight it, you can bold. You can actually change the color. Let's say you want it to be orange. You can see. Or you can also click on this drop down menu here. Look at the drop down box. Let me circle it for you to see. This is the drop down box here. You can click on it, and when you click on it, you can see we have highlights, you can turn it to italics, you can underline it, you can also centralize it, and change it to anywhere you want it to be. So these are some of the features that you can use on this app. Or you can click on this home button if you want to insert a picture. Let's say you have a picture on your gallery that you want to use. You can use it from photos, or you can as well snap it. You can also insert table. Let's say you want to put in table. You can see we have table just like your Microsoft Word on your desktop or your laptop. You can also go back. You can see, let's go to insert again. You see you can put shapes. You can use this app for whatever thing you want to do. So when you are done, you've typed in your document, you've inserted your table, you've inserted your pictures, you've put in your shapes, then you can go back. When you are done, you click on this 3 dots icon here. This is it. And when you do it, you click on it and you go to save as. When you click on save as, you can rename your document. Let's say you want it to be social media management, because that's what we are writing on. Then you can now select where you want to save this document. Let's say I want to save it on my device and I want to save it on document. And when I'm done, you can just click on save. So this document has now been saved to our phone. That's how to use your mobile device to create your Word document. Even if you are using an iPhone or an Android, this app works on all phones. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for watching.